In this class we learn common dialog control. What is a common dialog control and how to open common dialog control. Okay, so basically Visual Basic supports three types of dialog boxes. Three ways of adding dialog boxes. It means that three ways of adding dialog boxes. Number one is predefined dialog boxes. This we have already seen. Input box and message box. Input box is like a text box to accept the input from the user, and message box to show a messages to a user. Okay, messages to a user. So these are called as predefined dialog boxes. These are created through code. Input box and message boxes are created through code, right? So the second one is custom dialog box. First one is this one. The second one is custom dialog box. So these are created by adding controls to the form, onto the form, or by customizing an existing dialog box by the user. Okay, custom dialog boxes are created by adding controls onto the form or by customizing existing dialog box. The third one is standard dialog boxes. These are created by using common dialog control. So what are the standard dialog boxes? So if you open any application, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever it may be, so when you click on save, it displays a save as dialog box. When you click on save or save as, it displays only save as dialog box. When we click on print in any one of the application, it may be in Excel or Word, it shows a print dialog box. When we click on font, it shows a font dialog box. So these are called standard dialog boxes. If you in any application you open, these are displayed as common. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever it may be, these are called as a standard dialog box. Like that, standard dialog boxes is also we can open in our VB with the help of this common dialog control. Common dialog control is a control that displays the commonly used dialog boxes such as open, save, color, font, print, etc. When a common dialog control is drawn on a form, it automatically resizes itself and it is invisible at runtime. So what is the use of a common dialog control? The common dialog control is a control. It displays the commonly used dialog boxes such as open, print, font. These are all the standard or commonly used dialog boxes in the application like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So with the help of this common dialog control, we can open such dialog boxes, open, save, print in our application. Okay, so when a common dialog control is placed or is drawn on a form, it automatically resizes itself and it is invisible at runtime. Okay, so how to add a common dialog box control onto the form? So go to this project menu, select the components from the project menu. Go to this project menu and select the components. Okay, it displays the component box. In that, select or click Microsoft Common Dialog 6.0 control checkbox and click on OK. Okay, right? So how to open this common? This is not available on the toolbox. This is not a basic control. It is available under this project menu components box. So under this project menu component box, select Microsoft Common Dialog Box 6.0 control and click on the checkbox and click on OK. So the control is added to our toolbox at the bottom. Okay, the following are the methods to open common dialog boxes that can be opened with common dialog box control. Show open is a method to open an open dialog box. Show save is a method to open save dialog box. Show font is a helps in selecting the font property. These are all the methods to open the common dialog boxes by using a common dialog control, right? So show color to open the color properties. Printer is printer. Okay, now I will show you in this by a program. Okay, now I'm opening this one, Visual Basic 6.0, right? So open. Here I am creating how to one menu. first I will design a menu, tools, menu editor. So I will design a menu, that is file. Okay, so then next before that, first of all I will show you how to open this common dialog box. Go to this project and go to this components, go to project and go to this component. Here select Microsoft Common Dialog Control 6.0, Microsoft Common Dialog Control 6.0. see here, Microsoft Common Dialog Control. Here this is the Microsoft Common Dialog Control 6.0. just simply select here, click on this check button and click on apply and OK. Okay, so this is placed in this one. Okay, the Common Dialog Control is placed on this toolbox. Simply select this one, drag and drop. Automatically when you drag it, automatically it resizes, and when you run the application it is invisible. When you run the application it is invisible. Okay, so with the help of this Common Dialog Control, we can open the common or standard dialog boxes such as open, save, print, font, etc. With the help of this Common Dialog Control method, show open, show save, show print, with the help of these methods we can open the commonly dialog boxes or standard dialog boxes like open, print, save, etc. Okay, I will show you a program on this Common Dialog Control in the next class. Okay, thank you.